Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
We will learn how to make more Robux on Please Donate. Having a lot of buttons in your booth is a smart move. These buttons can represent various donation amounts, game passes, or special items. Consider creating buttons for different denominations such as 5, 10, 20, 50, and 100 Robux. This gives players option to donate based on their preference, and additionally, you can design custom donation t-shirts with amounts printed on them. For example, t-shirts that say donate 1000 Robux. The more options a player have, the more likely they are to contribute. Avoid begging for Robux. Desperation doesn't work. Instead of spamming messages like please donate, focus on creating an engaging booth and providing value to the player. Be genuine and appreciate when someone donates. A simple thank you is good, but a more enthusiastic reaction can leave a lasting impression. Encourage players to support your cause rather than just asking for Robux. Remember, building a strong community and fostering positive interaction will lead to more donations. Secondly, participating in live streams on platforms like YouTube can be effective. Many streamers host giveaways during their live sessions. While it might feel repetitive, spamming your username in the chat during these streams can lead to more donations. Some viewers also are generous and may contribute to players who actively engage in the chat. Remember to be respectful and follow the streamer's rules. Annoying behavior won't help you much. Appearance matters for your booth. Players are more likely to donate to a well designed booth. If your booth looks unattractive or messy, take the time to edit it, invest in decorations, furniture, and themes to make it visually appealing. Consider creating a theme for your booth. For instance, if you are passionate about bees, design a bee themed booth. Use fonts and colors that match your theme. Showcase your items you can buy with the in game currency. When players see that they can get in return for donating, they'll be more motivated to contribute. Good luck and may your booth thrive.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.